G'day, this is the Chicken Caravan 30, the ultimate movable chicken coop or chicken house. It's designed so you can move your hens around and keep them on fresh grass. It's got 3 large green wheels and it's got a handle at the front here which allows you to pull it along, or if you've got a 50mm tow ball on a quad bike, a lawnmower, or even a golf buggy, you can actually drop that over your tow ball and just pull it along that way. If you're parked on a slope, you can actually lock this off. You just pull up on the handle, you've got a chain here, put it on the hook, and that locks that front wheel. This is the roof, and there's a solar panel on each side. So this keeps the battery topped up, which powers the control box. And this roof actually has an air pocket between it. You've got a layer of sheet metal on top and on bottom, and there's an air pocket between it just to help stop that heat trying to penetrate down to where the chickens can be. Also in hot weather, you can actually lock this up so you got airflow in underneath there to help keep your birds cool. This side is actually where the birds come in to roost at night and also to lay their eggs. There's 3 perches there that the birds perch on. You've got a mesh floor which is hot dip galvanized, which is important because chicken manure is very corrosive and you want it to last. So hot dip galvanizing is about 4 times thicker than pre-galvanized steel. It's also easy to clean. Most of the manure will fall through, but you can just hose it out or pressure clean it if there's any buildup. The nesting boxes are there, and it's a roll-away nesting box. So the birds go into the nesting box, they lay their eggs, then the eggs roll to the back of the nesting box, and that's where you collect the eggs from at the back. It's also got a nesting box gate, which closes the nesting box off in the afternoon and stops the birds going in and roosting in the nest at night, because if they roost in there, they'll poop in there, then you'll have dirty eggs the next day. The other thing in this area, there's actually 2 layers of mesh on the floor. So what this allows is if the birds aren't on the perch for any reason and they're just standing on the mesh, you can't have a predator like a fox try and pull them through that mesh floor. You've got an automated door here. So this is designed to open in the morning and close in the afternoon. And it's also got a soft close function. So as it closes, if it senses some resistance, it'll try and open again, then keep closing. So that if you've got a bird that's standing there, it'll give them a little bit of nudge each time to try and push them in and get them in there. We've got a ramp here, and this is normally left out. And this just allows good access for the hens to get in and out of the caravan. The feeder is here. This will take a full 20 kilo bag of feed. So feed goes in the top. The birds eat from around the bottom here. And there's also a cover on the feeder. So it closes when this door closes and opens when the door opens. And this allows some protection for your feed from rodents. So that's your feeder. You've got the ability to level off your nest. So you've got a sight glass here and a T-bolt. I'm just going to open this up. So what you can do if you're parked on uneven ground, just undo that T-bolt. Look through this little window here. You can see a sight glass with a level that has a bubble in it. Make sure that bubble's in the middle, then lock it off. And that means that your eggs, they're not going to roll too fast, or they're not going to get stuck and not roll at all because it's set up at the right angle. In this side, so this is where we collect our eggs from. The eggs roll back to here, and you can just literally pick them up from there and put them straight into a tray from there. We've got our touchscreen control box, which does all the automation function. Another thing that this offers is the ability to have a light on your birds, and this is used to extend the day length, so the birds helps to keep them on the lay during winter. And I'd only recommend that if you're planning on turning your birds over every 12 months, because if you're not, you actually want to rest your birds and let them go through their natural cycle. You also got your battery, and you got your water drum here. To fill it up, you can just undo the top of it, put a hose in the top, fill it up. This is an optional extra. They're very easy to get your hands on. You get them at Bunnings. That's connected to nipple drinkers down the bottom here. And this is what the birds drink from. So they just put their beak on that and water comes out. And the advantage of these is it keeps the water nice and clean. So the birds are always drinking clean water. So this is our Chicken Caravan 30.